Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a revolved nightstand in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make the basic shape of the nightstand with a rotated rectangle. It's around, for the length around 500 and the width around 400 millimeter. Okay, this shape we have to push it up around 200 millimeter, right? 200 millimeter approximately. Then we just or maybe we can just push it a little bit down around 50 millimeter, and then we can just make it group. Then we can offset it inside to make a drawer. Anyway, we can offset around 15 only millimeter, and then we can just push it to the back around 380 millimeter. Okay, so you can see what the inside of this drawer. Then we can make a rectangle right here. We can make a rectangle to make a drawer handle. Then we can just push it to the front around 15 millimeter only. Then we can just make group, and then we can just move it to the front for temporary, and then we can make a rectangle. Right here, and then we can just push it up until fill the drawer, and then we have to move. We have to make it first, and we have to move. Then we can position on it, and then we can position on it. And after that we can just offset this 3 line only. We can offset around 15 millimeter, and then we have to push it down around 100 millimeter only. Okay, so you can see it, and then we can make just drawer handle right here with a little circle, with the combined little circle, and we can use a circle again. Okay, something like this, and then we can just give a thickness of the drawer handle, and then we can make it group all of this, and then we can move it to the back. Anyway, maybe we can give the space to represent it that there were a drawer and on a nightstand. Okay, we have to make it a group, and then we can move it to the top and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Then we can move it to the top and press Ctrl again to duplicate it, and then we can rotate one by one of this nightstand with drawer, and then we can rotate with rotate tool and position on this approximately on the center of plane, and then we can just rotate it. Then we can rotate it one by one, and we can rotate it also just a little bit rotation, maybe for just a little bit. Okay, and then we can move to the front. Okay, if you feel it to rotate, you can rotate it again. You can rotate to the reverse rotation anyway. Okay, I think it's enough, and then we can assign with the material, with all of our component with the wood. With the wood, and then we can adjust it. Okay, and then we can assign another material again with the synthetic surface, and we can just formic laminated light anyway, and that's it. And then we can just adjust this color of the wood by select the material and color build option, and then we can select the darkness and brightness of its material. And also we can show the drawer on the nightstand over there to represent it. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and maybe we can add nightstand. You can lamp right here with a circle, and we can just push it up just a little bit, push it up, and then we can make our circle to make a support of the lamp anyway. Then just make it group, and then we can use a circle again to make the cover of the lamp itself anyway. Then erase it, and then we can make it group. Then we can just select color. Then we can adjust the color of the cover lamp, and then we can adjust the color of the frame of the lamp anyway. We can use the dark material. We can use this dark material. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. Wait for my next video. Thank you.